Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can I fix the post problem into your TikTok. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, if your TikTok is also showing bugs or not uploading your post, the first thing you should try is to restart your application. In order to do that, just simply close your application and remove it from the recents. And after removing it from the recents, again open the TikTok application and it will probably work. And if it doesn't work, even after doing that, you should check your internet connection if it's connected properly or not. And even your internet connection is good, then the another solution you should try is to go into your Play Store or App Store depending on your which platform you are using the TikTok, and then if it's showing this update icon, just simply click into this update icon, then update your TikTok. Then your problem will probably be fixed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.